AGI is coming for your jobs. Elon Musk is predicting that by 2029, AGI will overcome human intelligence. Sam Altman, one of the founders of OpenAI, said that when it comes to AGI, AGI has the potential to reshape humanity as we know it. It will bring immense opportunities, but also challenges. Is it time to panic? Or can we adapt to the coming wave of artificial intelligence? In this video, we're going to break down who's most impacted by AI and AGI and what you can do to stay ahead of it. My name's Gav, and my goal is simple. I want to make tech make sense. Let's get into the video. First, let's clarify what AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, actually means. While current AI systems like ChatGPT or DALL-E are narrow AI, they're specialized tools for specific tasks. AGI is designed to think and learn like a human. It can reason, plan, solve complex problems, and adapt to new information. Think of it kind of like the intelligence that powers Jarvis in Iron Man. Imagine if Siri not only answered questions, but also became your lawyer, your doctor, and your accountant all in one. That's AGI. All of that is great, but what does AGI actually do? AGI is like an all-in-one expert in every field. It doesn't just do tasks, it understands them. Here are a few examples. First, healthcare. AGI could analyze medical histories, detect diseases earlier, and design personalized treatment plans. Next is coding and tech. AGI could write flawless code faster than any human could, even the best engineers. Next is creative fields. AGI could generate entire movies, novels, or marketing campaigns based on minimal input. AGI doesn't get tired, it doesn't take vacations, and learns exponentially faster than we do. It sounds incredible, but also terrifying, right? Before we get into talking about which jobs are most impacted, let's pull it back a little bit further and explain why AGI is so different than any other technological advances we've seen. Every major technological shift has sparked fears about job losses. Think about the Industrial Revolution, the internet, the introductions of computers, for example. But here's the key difference. Previous revolutions automated tasks, whereas AGI automates thinking. Machines replace physical labor. AGI is poised to replace cognitive labor, even the kind that we thought was uniquely human. All right, I think you get the point. AGI can be terrifying, but stick with me, it's gonna get better. Which careers are at the biggest risk of AGI? This is always the biggest question. Who's in the danger zone? Let's break it down. Let's look at a few key metrics. There's exposure, which is the degree to which AI could impact a given occupation, or complementary, whether AI is likely to assist, so high complementary, or replace low complementary workers in that role. Here are some really interesting findings. High exposure and high complementary roles, such as occupations requiring higher education, such as family physicians, teachers, electrical engineers, they're expected to benefit from AI, which could enhance efficiency in these roles. There are roles with high exposure and low complementary. These are roles like computer programmers and office workers that may feel more impact due to automation, with AI potentially replacing many tasks currently performed by humans. Then there are low exposure jobs. Positions involving manual tasks that require physical presence, such as carpenters, welders, plumbers, food and beverage servers, and firefighters, are less likely to be affected by AI. Here are some other roles that could be affected by AI. Administrative jobs, like data entry, scheduling, or even customer support, are already being automated by AI tools. AGI will accelerate this. Creative jobs. Writers, graphic designers, and even video editors may find themselves competing with AGI, capable of generating high-quality content in seconds. Next are the white-collar professionals. Lawyers, financial analysts, and even doctors could face disruption as AGI learns to analyze contracts, predict market trends, and diagnose illnesses. Any job that contains a repetitive task, these are the ones that are likely to be replaced by AGI or AI. But hope is not entirely lost. Not every job is at risk. AGI excels in logic, but not empathy or creativity rooted in human experiences. This leads us to our next section. Which jobs will thrive in the AGI era? First is AI development and maintenance. AGI will need humans to design, refine, and maintain its systems, at least in the short term. Human-centered services. Industries like mental health, life coaching, and personalized care will still rely on human empathy and connection. Creative innovation. Paradoxically, AGI could spark a new golden age of human creativity. By automating repetitive tasks, it frees us up to focus on what we do best. Imagine, innovate, and design. Think of the film industry. AGI might generate scripts or animations, but a human director's vision, emotional storytelling, and unique creativity will remain essential. Finally, the most important section. How can you leverage AI to strengthen your career? It's not all doom and gloom. AGI might be coming for your job, but it can also be the biggest ally you've ever had, if you know how to use it. We've already seen an increased demand for core AI skills. Between 2018 and 2024, there was a 37% increase in the demand for specialized AI competencies, such as machine learning, deep learning, and AI ethics and governance. However, there was a decline in the peripheral AI skills. During the same period, demand for peripheral skills such as software development and cloud computing decreased by 46.4%. This was possibly due to automating these different functions. However, we did see a growth in AI system management skills. Post-pandemic, job postings for roles involving AI system operations and machine learning project management increased by 48% and 60% respectively. That's great news for those wanting to get into the tech field. Here's what you can do to future-proof yourself in the AGI era. First is upskill in AI. Learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or emerging AGI platforms to complement your work. Writers can use AI to generate ideas or drafts. Engineers can debug code faster. Teachers can create personalized learning experiences for students. Next is focus on soft skills. AGI can't replicate empathy, emotional intelligence, or leadership. These are the skills of the future. Build relationships, lead teams, solve human-centered problems. And for all of us in tech, learn what it means to be an AI engineer. Instead of fearing AGI, think about how you can build businesses using it. From creating apps to AI-driven services, the possibilities are endless. The truth is, the jobs of the future may not even exist yet, but those who are willing to adapt and learn will thrive. So what does this mean for humanity? What is the big picture? AGI isn't just about jobs. It's about redefining what it means to be human. It could solve world hunger issues with optimized resource distribution. It could create cures for diseases we've battled for centuries. It could help us colonize other planets. But with all these amazing things, it still raises ethical questions. Who controls AGI? How do we ensure it works for humanity and not against it? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear, AGI is coming faster than any of us could have expected. The question is, will you fear it or will you embrace it? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please comment, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. How do you plan on adapting to AGI and this changing world that we're seeing? We'll catch you next time.